When you want to measure distance, you are going to use ruler. For example, let's say you are here and you want to go here. What's the distance between those two? Well, it's actually very easy. You just take the ruler, line it, 0. It is 13.5. But what about this? This you need area. Luckily, it's easy to measure area as long as you know how to measure distance. Hi, my name is Stefan, and in today's video we will be learning what is area. The easiest way to learn how to measure area is to know how to measure a rectangle. Well, we have one here, so let's do it. The rectangle has two measurements. One is width and the other one is length. So let's call width B and let's call length A. To calculate the area of the rectangle is very easy, and we can explain that all with a simple equation. So area equals A, because that's our length, times B. And there you go, that is your equation. Now let's measure the area of this rectangle. So first we are going to measure the width. So for that we need a ruler. We align it up straight. That is 17 centimeters. And now for our width, from 0 to 13. So now we are going to write that down. A equals 17 centimeters. B equals 13 centimeters. So now for the area, we got all the numbers down, so area equals 17 times 13. So let's take the calculator. 17 times 13 equals 221. Let's take that. Equals 221. Well, we forgot something, and that are units. In what unit are you going to measure area? Well, whatever unit you use to measure your width and length, you are going to use it. So in our case, that is centimeters times centimeters. But there's the catch. How do you multiply them? Well, it's very easy. Centimeters times centimeters is centimeters square. So our final answer will be 221 centimeters square. So area equals 221 centimeters square. So another way how to calculate area is if you take your rectangle and split it into smaller squares. So in our case we have 17 columns, 13 rows. So if we take a rectangle and split into 17 columns, 13 rows, each square is going to be 1 centimeter for its width and 1 centimeter for its length. So in total, we are going to have 221 squares in our rectangle. So let's do it. So there you have it, 221 centimeter squares inside our rectangle. So yeah, I'm not gonna count it, but it's the same as multiplying 17 times 13 equals 221, or you can count them all, which also equals to 221. So let's recap. Today we learned two methods of how to calculate area. One was you multiply width times length and you get your answer, or you can draw how many columns and how many rows, and if you count how many squares you have in your rectangle, you will get the same answer. Well, that was all for today. Hope you learned something useful. In other episodes, we will be learning what is the area of a triangle, circle, all that other stuff. But for now, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.